This has been the craziest story of all time. The story's so wild, so unprecedented, it just blows people's heads off.
MicroStrategy at this point, basically a proxy for Bitcoin.
But how did we get here? Wasn't MicroStrategy a software company?
That is my message, and my other message is that software operates in cyberspace, not Newtonian space. And so if you want to be successful as a software company in the new economy, you need to be schooled in fantasy more than science fiction. In science fiction, you think I throw a baseball in outer space that goes 30 million miles and you try to get the ballistic trajectory right. But in fantasy, I throw the baseball and it becomes a beach ball, then it converts into a pot of gold, and then it converts itself into a Ferrari and you drive it off.
Huh?
So I want to get to the software business itself, but I want to talk a little bit more about the Bitcoin holdings because something interesting happened at the end of December.
Today, the company disclosed it acquired 55,500 Bitcoins last week for around $5.4 billion. Okay, let's talk about the top stories. MicroStrategy announced yet another big Bitcoin purchase.
But how?
We have a lot of flexibility that you wouldn't have as an ETF because that's an SEC 40 company and we're an operating business. We can take on leverage, we could trade volatility, we can sweep cash flows, we can issue junk bonds, etc.
Right.
So we would not want to separate the two strategies. It would be dilutive to either.
Here is the playbook. Issue equity and debt by Bitcoin.
Their market cap is staggering $94 billion.